Okay, we're going to leave the mask surface on. We'll leave the curves on as well. So this first operation, we're just going to be doing some roughing from the top and from the bottom. So let's go to 3-axis advanced. We're going to go to horizontal roughing. Now we only need to rough in this area. If you look down on it, we only need to rough in this area. Don't need to rough over here. So we've got a containment rectangle here. We're going to select that, and then we'll go over to the tool, and we're going to use our 3/8 inch flat mill and feeds and speeds. We're not going to set the feeds and speeds again. This is all up to you and your machine and your experience with the materials that you cut. We'll leave the clearance set to automatic. Let's look at the cut parameters for horizontal roughing. So we got the in tolerance and out tolerance set to 10 thousandths and the stock set to 25 thousandths. And we've got an offset cut pattern and a climb cut direction. And we're starting on the inside and working our way out. We don't have any cleanup passes. For the cut levels, we're going to be doing a step down of 50% of the cutting tool. We're going to do depth first, and we also do want to set the bottom. Okay, so let's use the pick option, and we're going to go ahead and set our object snap to center. So here's the 0, 0. Okay, so we want to go down at least to 0. Okay, and let's go a little bit less than that. Let's just use that spinner and go down a little bit. That should be good right there. And engage and retract. All this is fine. We want to increase that to 0.4. And for the advanced cut parameters, we'll go ahead and do some arc fitting. And this fitting tolerance is 2 times the global tolerance. So we had 10 thousandths on the global. We'll set that to 0.2. Let's just generate that. So here's our roughing. Also, I didn't mention, I didn't go over the stock definition. Let's go back up here and look at the stock. We're just doing a regular box stock, okay? And we're just going to fit it, a copy model bounding box. And we want to check this box to ignore wireframe. So we ignore all our curves, do the copy model bounding box. Okay, so this is our square stock to the shape that we need. I go and pick OK. And for alignment, we don't need any alignment since the stock is already aligned to our part. And material, we're not going to set that for now. So let's go ahead, and we got a roughing under setup 1, again, which is with the Z-axis up. That's the default orientation. Let's go ahead and simulate that. Let's turn the toolpath off for now. Okay, so that was quick. Let's go ahead and make some little adjustments here on stock. Let's turn these lines off. Okay, and if you want to see that a little bit slower, again, we're containing it within that rectangle on the left and on the right as well.